chips.
And this is
Snacks. Snacko.
And this is seaweed.
Yeah, it's a seaweeds.
And
What do you have more?
yep. This one.
Crackers. Peas. Yeah.
Melon. This first, Alex.
Talagang pinili yung candy, ha?
Thank you. Welcome. Oh. Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna open it. You open it some go. Okay, it's this thick. One for you, okay? You want 3 or 1?
One only.
Two.
One each first. You can taste it them all. Okay? Taste it.
Yummy.
And then put here na if you feel.
Not actually candy, it's bubble gum.
Yeah, it is.
It's a bubble gum. That's yummy. That's yummy. Why is it bubble gum when it's green? If you chew it, it's yellow.
Can I see it? It's still green.
Like a broccoli.
What next?
You have to throw this up because we can might swallow. That's not good. They might get stuck in the nuts. Right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Now it's this one. Let me take it out, Alex.
Throw it out.
Next
Alex, pick.
one, this one.
You wanna open that one? So, give it to ate.
Where did it come from?
Bread pan.
Yes, I got one. Good. Open here. Do next one.
Sky flakes.
This one. Okay.
Ate first.
How do you pick it up? Can you open it for us? These. What's this? No. Nobody. Here you go, Sam. It tastes yummy. What? Chocolate? Yummy. Chocolate? No, it's just yummy. Take some. Okay. What is it? It's yummy. Huh? You take the other one. Yummy? Put down now. I'm done now. Okay. Okay, put it here. I think we're gonna choose the seaweed. See? Seaweed. Oh, yeah. Look. I saw. This one. You juice? Put something else. Not again. Not again. So she did pick juices. You can have this one. You can have this half one. No, you didn't pick that. You can pick this.
What are you drinking? It's a
Green aba.
mogo. Mogu.
I got something.
What is it?
It's candy. Little candy. A candy.
Taste it, Alex. Taste it.
You guys, something is here, see? That's why I cannot drink it.
That is the... What do you call that?
The slice.
Yeah, it's just like a nut. What do you call that? Can I see it, ate? Nata di coco. You like it, Lex?
This strawberry.
Taste strawberry. It's not. It's a melon.
Watermelon.
Yeah. Oh, what next?
Melon too.
Seaweeds.
I think just gonna try this. Alex, what did they get?
Alex, you need to taste also the seaweeds.
It's so yummy.
Yeah, you just taste it. Mommy will open it.
Good. The seaweed is kind of good, but we have to try it.
Yeah, you need to try everything, okay?
Try the seaweed now. I think most of them taste good. Have a half of it. Don't like it.
You don't like it. Alex, taste it first. What? That's a big one. Can you taste it?
Don't
Taste
taste
it. Taste it. Why?
It's not yummy.
It's not yummy. You did not taste even, eh?
It's for grown-ups.
Why? It tastes good.
But I don't like it.
How about you, Lex? Can you taste a little bit lang?
It's fine.
You don't like the seaweeds, anak? Okay.
The seaweeds are not good for...
Put it down. Put it down if you don't like it. It's okay.
Okay, I choose.
You choose.
Whoa, what's that? My favorite, Alex. Yeah. Vegetables. I like vegetables, guys. It's good for your
Alex like the sky flakes. Yeah.
I think I like it too.
Mommy, open it.
But I'm always the very
Next one is the Snaku rice cracker vegetables flavor.
Remember, Mommy, when we go for Mommy, we have that with that.
Yes.
And you ate it for our journey.
Yeah. Mommy loves also that one.
Yeah. I taste this different, right? Our baby Sarah.
Oh, you will. Alex, taste it.
That's taste.
Yeah.
What's this?
Yeah, just taste it so you know.
Maybe this one?
Taste it.
I want to
Tastes good.
It's fruits?
Fruits?
What is
What kind of fruits?
good? So good, bad. No.
It's not fruit, it's vegetables, they
I
say.
think people would eat this and then somebody they get mermaid tail.
Mm.
Oh, baby, something. You ate that when you were little.
Yeah, you like it or not?
You like it. Does it taste this?
Yeah, and Alex love it also.
So this one. Since you pick it, my turn to pick. What should I pick? Veggie is good for you. Plus, veggie.
That's fruits.
I always like veggies is good for you.
That's fruits.
Yeah, I like yummy.
Alex, you need to taste also the green grapes.
Wow, look at this. I do that now, Tita. Ito. No. I'm just eating na. Ito ako lang. Ha, Mommy akin. Ayun mo akin, Mommy. It's the grape and so sour. And I like it. Okay, naman. Taste it. Taste it. Taste it. Don't taste it. It's yummy. Don't talk. You're like a baby. What's that shit? Okra.
Yeah, you can taste it. Just taste a little bit, taste. In the tail. Sige, taste Alex. Buntot. Taste it, taste.
Look, it's like pepper. Look like spaghetti. Look like a unicorn with that.
Oh, don't play the food, anak ko. Sige na.
Kind.
Taste it.
I think taste it. Let me taste it too. Yeah.
How about the sitaw? The sitaw, anak.
Wow. This one.
You like it?
I like it.
The sitaw.
Sitaw?
Yes.
Sitaw. Or sitaw.
Tastes good?
Yeah, sitaw.
Oh, you need to taste, Alex. Sige na. If you don't like, then just put it down. Sige na. You love the snacko?
No, this one so yummy.
Oh, sige na nga. Just taste a little bit bite of the sitaw. Come on.
You like keto?
Come on. Alex, taste the sitaw.
Eat it. Drink it.
Drink it.
Drink it, mommy.
Taste it. You don't like? How about the broccoli, ate?
Broccoli?
Yes.
So is that yan ay susunod?
Share kayo with Alex.
Papa, you don't like broccoli and
That is the broccoli.
some fruit.
Good.
Oh no!
How about Alex? Can you taste for us, Alex, the broccoli? Come
I
on.
like it.
She don't?
Eat that.
Okay.
Okay. She's still a little girl. She's still a little.
You wanna taste that one? Okay, mommy will open it.
No.
Oh, very good. We have glass over here, ate, oh.
Let's get the glass. Okay. Okay. Cheers. I'm good. Kind of good. My
It's
turn to
aloe
taste.
vera juice.
No. Bang. What's this? I don't know.
Dalandan
Dalandan?
fruit soda.
Dalandan fruit soda?
Yes.
No, this
You like that one, Lex? You love that one? Mommy will buy it again?
Yes.
Tastes good?
I'm getting taller and taller.
How about the ampalaya chips? This one, ate, oh.
Ampalaya chip?
Yeah?
Okay.
Open it.
I think I can move because okay. I'm quite controller. I'm quite controlling you.
What is
You
that?
always like this.
Yeah, she wanna eat it all na. Can I see what is that, ate? What you did pick?
Ow!
Ampalaya chips? Can mommy taste it also?
It's like look that mommy.
It's just like what?
It's like what I like is green and then it's like it.
Can I taste?
So funny.
What is inside?
You know, it's all crumble. Let the seaweed me.
Just like seaweed?
Yes.
But you need to taste a little bit.
Alex is always eating this.
Okay, taste. Yeah. What is the taste? Alex, can you taste it for mommy, please?
Okay.
Tastes good?
No. No. It's like chips.
Yeah, it's chips nga. It's ampalaya chips.
Palaya.
Alex love this one, no? This nako.
So good na, Mom.
Yum yum din. Tastes good din naman. Yeah? Ampalaya chips.
They always taste good. And yeah, Alex, you're always eating this. What's that? Ay, yeah.
What next?
I guess.
The green peas.
Please.
How about the green peas? Taste it, Alex.
I think I tasted this before.
Yeah, you did. Alex did not taste that one before.
Yeah, because I like it. Did I like it? It was like this one.
The other one,
This one's so small. Let me put it this way.
give one pieces to Alex so she can taste it. Taste it, Alex. Taste it.
I got
Tastes good.
this long. This long sandwiches.
Taste it, Lex.
Yeah.
You will like it.
No.
Just taste it. You did not taste yet, eh?
It's kind of messy. No.
How about the guava?
Guava? Where's the guava?
You know, sa tabi ng apple green?
Oh,
No. You know guava. Yung bayabas, anak.
bayabas. Saan?
Opo. Hindi mo alam ang bayabas? Yan o, yung tabi ng broccoli.
Broccoli to?
Yan, opo.
Bayabas ba ito?
Oh, bayabas yan. Guava. You never eat that one before. You never taste it.
Did I eat?
No, not yet.
Yung,
You wanna taste it?
mama, yung green ba? Ito yung kinakain namin yung ano?
Bayabas, anak. Parang hindi ka pa nakatikim yan. You wanna taste?
Don't like me.
How about the cucumber? Taste it. Take a bite, ate.
Is it all wash?
Yeah, it washed already.
It's not wet.
Bite.
I like this.
Yeah, you love that one.
Not me.
Not me, because you're full na. Ah, hindi mo mabite? Okay.
Because my teeth is almost falling out.
Yeah, it's wiggling teeth.
Like so we're full now. All we taste is good.
How about your legs?
Tita big. Ato big, ato dita.
How about your legs? Is it good? You're full?
Kaya,
What the things you like there? This one, that one?
I think I like this one and all the vegetables.
Yeah, okay. Alex did take the snack po.
Oh, she won't
Where you going?
something healthy.
Yeah. Go and sit. Say bye-bye na here.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I hope you like our video. Subscribe, guys. Mwah. Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.
Ang
Can you eat this one?
yeah, take it.
She won't eat something healthy. She won't eat something.
Bye.
Bye. What is healthy, mommy?
Huh?
What is healthy?
Is that healthy?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so.
Not healthy, Alex. The healthy things.
But it's okay. Alex did. Yeah, it's okay. Just eat once for a while. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.